welcome back to Saber Outdoors. I, of course, am your wonderful host, Mark Alexander, and today we are going back trout fishing. Today we're going to try our luck trout fishing with artificial only. And guys, the artificial that we're going to try today is the Appalachian Baits mountain worms. So right there they are. Let's get one out and look at it right quick. So these are little teeny tiny worms. If you want a reference, they're not as long as the case. They're a little bit bent over, most of them. Ooh, look at that. Comes with weights. Comes with, not weights. I said weights and I meant jig heads. Comes with jig heads, so if you need baits stuff, they're already ready. But look at that. They're not as long as my finger. So, guys, these are small baits. This is a reasonably small company, but they were extremely nice to me whenever I saw them at the East Tennessee Fishing Show and Expo. But, guys, we're going to go try these out. Come along with us. All right, guys, we are down here. Got us a nice piece of concrete to be on. Now guys, we just got our little dock demon with us today. And I still have that same bare hook. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to put a worm on this bare hook. And if they can bite, if they'll bite on these, we're going to try and catch one on every color. But if there's one color they like better than average, that's the one we'll use. Alright guys, so that's what our bait looks like. We're going to get it in water and see if anything's interested. Something rather moving up that way. Let's see if anything wants it. There's the first one. First one, guys. And he is lively.
Let me follow you out of here, Dad.
All right, guys. There he is. Fish number one. Back he goes. Guys, let's change colors and see if we can catch one on the next color. My plastic's not tore up, so I'm not going to put it back in the thing. I'll set it there. But they bit white. Let's try pink. That seems like a easy step from white to pink. Let's go pink. All right, guys. We switched colors. Now we're on pink. We're going to throw it back in that same spot, or roundabout. See if anything bites it. Got another one. That's a nicer fish too. Oh lordy. Well guys, he's off. I got my lure, so we're good. Right there he is. And right there he goes. Guys, 2 down. Let's switch to another color. Let's go let's go with a harder color. We've done a couple of light colors. So let's try a dark color. Let's try this dark red color. It's red with black flake in it. I know a lot of bass fishermen that dearly love that color combination. Look at that. Look at that. Looks so good. Guys, that one spot's treating us good, so we're going to keep throwing until we quit catching fish in that spot. Oh, there's a huge bunch of fish. Please, one of you be hungry. Please, one of you. There just went a huge bunch of fish. Guys, that's more trout than I've ever seen before. Huge bunch of fish. Guys, I'm gonna see if I can cast this even a little bit with just the hook by itself and see if maybe I can get it in front of some of these fish. Guys, it's not wanting to throw at all like this. Let's see if maybe if I don't even have it. Okay, I got it. Oh, I had one come for it. I'm fly fishing with a dock demon. Oh, guys, it's looking good. Oh, man. Guys, I've got a lot of swirls on this dark red, and they've bit the tail, but they won't quite commit to the full bait. That's just a lesson on color matters. Today, they don't want a dark color. Today, they want bright colors. So I'm going to switch to another bright color. Let's go with this color right here. Try our luck with that. All right, guys, we got the little one on there. I'm not going to put the bobber back on just now, but I'm going to throw it just like this. All right, guys, I'm putting my bobber back on because I see fish further out from where I can cast, and I want a piece of them. All right, guys, bobber's back on. Fish are swirling. Let's see what happens. Had a bite. Color matters, guys. They want light colors today, it seems. These out here seem a little wary, so I'm going to throw a couple of casts back yonder. Got him. That's number 3, guys. There he is. Did he hit you at all? No, you're all right. There he is on the Appalachian bait. Guys, that's 3 colors that we have caught them on. Let's see if we can catch them on more. I think there's only 5, so we're getting close. All we got left is this really bright orange. This one's more like a dull orange. This other is bright and looks like it's got orange flake in it. So it's like orange on top of orange. All right, guys, bright orange. Let's throw it in and see if we can get one on it. Going next to this big pipe. That sounds like I do have an instrument in my hands. Let's try our luck for these over here. They're mighty finicky though. They may not play. I say that, and there's one right there. Up. I'm gonna count that, but I'm still gonna try my luck for another one. There he is. Ah, oh, come on, man. Guys, that's 2. That's 2 on the orange thing. I'm gonna count that for 1 caught fish, because that's twice that I've lost fish. No, guys, I can't do that. God bless it. I wish I could, but I can't. Let's get back in there and see if we can catch another one. Guys, let's try him down the way again. We're going to eventually get one in on this. It can't hardly go any other way. Oh, I had one. He bit it and sit there with it, a little booger. I just saw my bobber go limp. Guys, they're going to fly too close to the sun. I'm going to get one on this orange worm. They'll come on. It'll take them a minute, though. Got him. Come on. Finally got one up here where we can touch it. Guys, that's 4 out of 5. Let me make sure you haven't been messed up. Yeah, you're doing all right. Look at that. Let me tell you, them Appalachian baits seem to be a-working. But we're going to put him back because it's catch and release. So, guys, we're going to... You know, I've got a little bit of a pride thing going. I'm wanting to catch one on this dark red worm. That way I can complete the smash. But guys, I'm gonna hook this kind of down in the worm this time. Now I will admit these are really tiny plastics, so it does take some doing to get the hook in it. But I've got my red worm back on. We're gonna throw her out and see if we can get one. Oh, come on, man. And now my line's tangled in my reel. That's all I need. Guys, that looked like a nice one, too. Well, guys, no point in crying over spilled milk. Let's get back in there and try again. I'm on. Guys, he's little, but he counts. So, guys, that's the Appalachian baits slammed. So, guys, oh, you slippery little booger. Let me get him off. Right there he is. Let's pitch him back before he wriggles out of my hand. Guys, we are officially done with the slam of this box. All right, guys, this is not what I wanted, but it's what we're doing. So I filmed an outro for this video, and it was wonderful, but I looked at it again, and it wasn't so wonderful. So we're doing it over again, because I would much rather film a good outro here at my house than have a terrible outro to this video, because we smashed it. Guys, we smashed it. Did you not see us? We took the Appalachian baits, mountain worms, and we wrecked them. Let me tell you, when the fish like your bait enough that they not only want that color, they want that color and that color and that color and that color. What more could you ask for? Now, guys, if you want to get your hands on some Appalachian baits, they are made in the USA. They have a website. It's AppalachianBaits.com. Let me double check. Yep, AppalachianBaits.com. Now, tell them Saber Outdoors sent you. I don't have a code. I don't have any kind of, business relationship with these people. I bought this with money because I thought it looked cool, and the people were extremely nice to me when I met them at the East Tennessee Fishing Show, and I'm hopeful that I will see them again in January. But this Thunderbox was great. Gonna use it a bunch more. You're gonna see it in a bunch of future videos. If you want something like this, go to their website, tell them that I sent you, or just blow it up in the comments and tell everybody how great they are. But that's all there is to this video. So like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification. Saying it twice because it's so important. Subscribe. It means everything to me, and it costs you nothing. Thank you so very much for watching. We'll see you somewhere in the woods or on the water.